Welcome back to the channel, fam. Welcome back to the channel. This is Brian, the introverted marketer. It ain't hard to tell, it's simple. Now we tapping back in with Manana, pardon me, family. Manaka royalty. Been doing these videos back to back to back. And we're going to be tapping in with the number cross. I already have it pulled up, so let's go ahead and check it out. So here we have the number cross puzzle generator, and here we have it right here. The first thing we want to do, let's pull up our instructions. We'll drag it over here, and it actually gives you the instructions on how to play the game. You're given a grid and a list of numbers sorted by their digit length. Place the number from the list into the grid so that each number reads either left to right or top to bottom. So we have our instructions here, which would be the first page, along with the copyright, if you want to do that. And here we have it right here. Let's go over all our features once again. So trim sizes is still here. All right, everything is still relatively the same, but our grid sizes actually go all the way from 5 by 5 all the way up to 20 by 20. So you can see we have 3 numbers, 4 numbers, 5 numbers, 6 numbers, and 7 numbers. And we can choose the minimum amount of digits from 10 digits to 3 digits. Well, we can go as high as the page will allow. So the more numbers you have, the smaller it's actually going to be. So maybe 3 by 7 is actually pretty good. And then you can do the 180 rotational symmetry if you want to do that. I think we'll keep it like this, but grid will be symmetric when rotated 180 degrees. Auto generate numbers, so if you don't click that, then nothing will be here. But also when you unclick that, you can actually go ahead and manually modify these. But once you're satisfied with that, you just select, pardon me, family, control, let's see, control, enter, oh, sorry, using a MacBook, so, and you can see that it populates right here. You can have it done automatically, or you can do it manually, put in your own numbers in the order. Everything here is still the same, from the layout and the margins to the typography. The appearance still you can modify. You can have the solution made available or not. We'll just keep it there for now. Our clues, you can make it available or not. You can adjust the font size, the header size, the grid clues gap rather, the size there as well. And of course, I always like to keep the page number on for these demos, but you can see you can adjust the positioning and the size and the font. So once again, all the core functions are still the same. It's just a different tool, a different game. All the download functions is also the same. So let's go ahead and go over into the bulk section. I like to test this out for you all as well. We can do the 20 by 20. We'll keep everything generally the same. Only thing we'll do here is we'll do 10. We'll add it to the K. We'll overwrite existing pages. We'll generate our 10. And you can see that took no time at all. But it seems like it did 10 of the same page. Or rather, it seems like I'm in preview mode and I cannot actually go across and see these individual pages. So give me 1 second, family, while I see where the mistake may have been. Okay, family, so there was no mistake. You just have to switch the mode over back 2 pages, and then you can actually go ahead and preview or rather review your pages that you have completed. So now that we're actually done with all that, I'm going to go ahead and X all of these out right here. And we're going to go over to the story mode, and same thing, family. We're going to keep everything pretty much the same. We'll just bring it back to 10 by 10. Keep everything the same in terms of the layout and the margins and the typography. It's also going to be the same. Going to generate a random idea, generate a storybook, and we'll tap back in once it's complete just to see how everything's looking. And I'll get back with you, fam. Simple. Okay, fam. So we created our story. You can see our story idea right here. Young astronaut visits a number nebula to collect glowing star crystals for her rocket's fuel tank. And here we have about 18 pages. Here we have a page of text. And here we have our star right here, coloring book page, Nova. And then we have the puzzle here. Help Nova enter the coordinates by filling in the numbers cross grid. So it works for the most part. A page of text, a coloring book page, and then an actual puzzle. And this actually didn't take too long. I want to say it took about 5 minutes or so to create. So once again, definitely really enjoy this coloring book feature. This is why I oftentimes give it the most time when I'm reviewing these tools right here. Just a great addition to add overall the ability to make an actual coloring book alongside the actual puzzle game to just enhance the overall appeal of the number cross puzzle. But overall, that's going to do it for this short little overview, this short little review on the number cross puzzle generator. We went over the pages function and some of the functionality there, the bulk function and the story function allows you to create coloring books. So the next feature, or rather the next video we're going to be doing is the pixel color by number generator. And I'm excited to show you that one. But with that being said, that's going to do it for this video on the number cross puzzle generator. So I'm going to end the video right here. This is Brian, the Introverted Marketer, and it ain't hard to tell, it's simple. I'm going to catch you on the next video, family. Peace.